Thank you for clicking this video. My name is Zuel Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, here I discuss about Forex trading and most importantly, how not to lose money in this Forex market. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, sorry for not the camera in this video because I'm having some technical issues with my camera. That's why camera is not there in this video. Later on, I'll definitely put the camera. So the most important part is here I am with the next week gold analysis, and as usual before starting the video further, let's have a quick recap what we had the analysis in the last week and how the result was. So here you can see that this was the area when market started this week. I said that we'll get a test of this area. Below this area you can see we got a test from this area. It was 1915. We'll get a test and then definitely we'll go to this supply area. It was around 1928 supply area I showed in 30-minute time frame. Then from here we went to this supply area. Then the forecast was from there market will drop down to this 1900 level. Okay, but unfortunately from there we got almost 100 pips move, and the market started ranging as because we had news coming up. So we got a spike from this level to the up zone. Also I mentioned, if you go to my previous week analysis, you can see that I have also forecasted that if market goes above this area to this 1935 or maybe 1940, we don't know, then from there we can get a sell to till 1900 or maybe below this area 1895 for the liquidity hunt. I said slowly market will move to this 1900 area. So we got this spike above 1935 zone. Then slowly the market came to this area, but it went up to this supply from the supply level, that is 1903. Okay, 1900. Yeah, it was 1900 zone. This is the supply area. Okay, it went up from this, and it is. And also I mentioned that anything happens, we have two case scenario. If market comes to 1900 area or maybe below that, then from there until this zone holds, okay, 1885 to 1890, I'm bullish, and I'll look bullish till 1950. From there we should go bullish. So in Telegram also I gave the signal, okay, from 1903 I gave till 1920. So the TP was hit. It was almost around I would say 150 to 180 pips. Then market moved beyond to this area, and I was expecting 1940, but that couldn't happen. So let's see what we have this week coming up. Okay guys, so for this week, let's firstly go to the fundamental what we have this week. On Monday and Tuesday we don't have any high impact news. Okay, on Wednesday we have CPI data coming up, and we have on Thursday we have PPI data, and on Friday we have sentiment index. So these two data, CPI and PPI, are core leading inflation indicators. Okay guys, this data will decide that how much inflation is there in US, as so that the Fed should go with the interest rate hike or not. On based of this data, okay, the gold movement will be decided the direction. So as we saw that on NFP last week on Friday, it was negative. Okay, that means the inflation is not much, but it was according to the ADP data, the labor market is still okay, very tight. We can so the next week data, the PPI and CPI will decide how much inflation is there, so that Fed should pause the interest rate or they should hike it. Okay, so let's come to the technical what we have now. You can see this 1930 is still a beautiful supply area, and it has become a major resistance for gold till now. And as I'll say again, there is a lot of liquidity above this area 1935. Okay, 1935 zone, this is my zone. 1935 to 1937, this is a very much liquidity area. I believe any soon market can go and tap this liquidity area. Okay, 1935, 37 to 40, then we can see a sell off from there. Okay, so the thing is, on Friday we got a closing on 1925.56 as market tapped this equal high. You can see it was the equal high 1934.6964. It tapped the equal high and we saw immediate sell off. So what I forecast and the levels, guys, I have pre-drawn so that the video should be short. This is the this was H4 supply, as well as in supply in H1. Okay, this was also the shoulder level. If you see this, if you see the structure, okay, this left shoulder head, okay, and this right shoulder and this breakup structure. So this was the right shoulder area, as well as it was a supply area. Market reacted beautifully on this on ADP day. When ADP was released, we ADP was very much positive. Okay, we have seen an immediate sell off from here, regarding which I have given the signal also in my Telegram channel. But unfortunately, so Astral was hit with 5 pips. Okay, but I have told them also, if you want to hold it, you hold it better. Otherwise, you can close it. So market immediately sold off to this from this area, and it went to this supply area, beautiful supply area. Then market slowly, it did ups and downs. It made a double bottom, and from the here, I also have given the signal in my Telegram, and beautifully it went up. It has taken the equal high liquidity, as well as it has created an equal high from here. So there is a lot of liquidity resting over this area. So as I have told you, market can any soon tap this liquidity area. So I want on Monday opening how the market should behave is this is a resistance, major resistance for gold. Till now you can see that from let's see this first. You can see from this previous area, it has been a major resistance area for gold. As soon as it taps this area, immediately it comes down. Second time, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. This was the seventh touch, and market has managed to close below this area. The bulls are giving immense pressure to break this area and break this 1935, but unfortunately, they are not, able to do so. The suppliers are so strongly sitting here. Okay, they want to go see the gold sell off from here. And as per the sentiment, 80% of the buyer, 80% of the traders, are in buys. That's why smart money is only focusing on for sell, but first they want to trap more buyers, and we can see immediate hard off sell in gold. It is my forecast, guys. It is not an opinion, not an option to you, so that you can immediately get a sell option in gold. So what I said is, okay, on Monday opening, I want gold to behave is from here. From here, it should test this resistance. Okay, maybe we'll find some fair value gap here in 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's find that fair value gap first, and we will look into it. Only because I'm looking to sell now is it has managed the 1 hour candle closing has managed to close below this area. Okay, and also it has created an equal high. I want the equal high liquidity to tap, and again look for sells. But first look, we should I look for an fair value gap here. So this okay, this fair value gap has been tapped. Okay, let's come to this 1 hour time frame. Yeah, how I want gold to behave on Monday opening is okay, it is moving up. The gold should go to test this resistance. Okay, maybe a high more than this 31, 32. Then it should sell off to this area 1915. Okay, why I'm saying 1915 is because you can see a QM pattern over here. QM pattern means we have a higher high, okay, and we have a lower low. According to this is the left shoulder area, guys. This is the left shoulder, as well as on 1 hour time frame we can see a order block over here. So most probably market will come to this 1915 area, and from here it will be a deciding factor whether gold will buy or not beyond this. So if gold comes here, Okay, it ranges here, ups and downs. Okay, and tap this below liquidity and makes a higher high. Then from a fair value graph from here, I think we are good to go for a buy to tap this 1940 liquidity. Okay, I want to see gold at 1940, how it behaves. Okay, maybe 1940 or 1950. I don't know. So let's suppose hope for 1940 first. That will be the liquidity of this area. And in 1950, we have a very good supply area. I don't know market will tap that or not, but let's hope for 1940. And from 1940, if we get a better rejection from this high liquidity area, then we are good to go for a sell. And this time I'm expecting again 1890 area to be tapped. So I think this much would be enough for next week, guys. We'll see how we'll see further on next week analysis. And this much I'm expecting next week, because we don't have 2 days, we have no news, and I don't know how much volatility would be there. So that's it for today, guys. And I hope if you enjoyed watching my video, if you have learned something valuable from it, please do not forget to like my video. And also, the subscribe button is totally free, guys. It doesn't take any dollars to be pressed. So please press the subscribe button and share this video to your family and friends whosoever is in Forex market. That's all for today, guys. See you in next week.